I'm back. Hello everyone, how are we all? Thanks for your patience. I mean, that'd been help if you don't know, for a few weeks. So I had to proper recover. Still got a bit of the sniffles, but 100% better. So we're back now. Do some delicious cooking again, hopefully. Anyway, now this is what I'm going to do today. It's a one pot. I've seen Jamie Oliver do this, but we all know what his food's like. It can be a bit bland sometimes. I've done a few and they're quite bland, but I'm going to do it my way. So let me show you what we're going to do. Okay, so this is everything I've got, and this is everything I'm going to be using. I've got some chicken thighs with the bones on and the skin on. I've got 2 medium onions. I've got a bit of spinach. Jamie Oliver used peas, I'm going to use spinach. Chopped tomatoes. I've got a vegetable stock. I've got some chicken tikka paste, one of them. A bit of coconut milk. I've got 1 cup of basmati rice, that is, but you can use any rice. A bit of salt, bit of pepper. A bit of chilli puree. I've never tried that one before. 69p from Aldi. So I thought I'd do that, put a bit of spice in. And a bit of garlic. That's it. So it's quite simple. First things first, I want to get my pan hot. And get a little bit of oil in there. Don't need a lot because you're going to get some fat off the chicken anyway. And we'll get all that heated up. Okay, next thing we want to do is get your chicken skin side down. We want to get that all crisped up first. I've got 7 in this packet, 2.85 from Aldi. These were. Get it all in. And just leave them until the skin's all crispy. Just wash my hands after touching the chicken. While that chicken's cooking, I'm just going to wash my rice. Jamie Oliver never washed his rice, he just poured it in. Now, you should always wash your rice to get rid of that starch first. I'm going to do that. Okay. The skin's nice and crunched up now. Now what you want to do, turn them all over. You want to get your skin off. Each one, if you can, and it's all going to be chopped up for like a topping, if you get what I mean. So get all the skin off. Doesn't matter how it comes off really, it's going to be chopped up anyway after it's fried. There, last one, there we go, skin off. Move them to the side. Get your skin back in and fry your skin up until it's crispy. Okay, that's still frying up. And this chicken should be brown on the one side. There we go. Turn it over. Couple of minutes. Looking nice. Get them fried up a bit more. Okay, they should do now. We'll get them out. And we'll leave them to dry, and then we'll chop them up at the end. There's them. Look. Now we want to get your onions in. I've got 2 medium onions. We'll fry them up for a couple of minutes. It's good to be back cooking again, getting tasting some food. We haven't really been able to taste for a couple of weeks. I'm going to add a little bit of salt and a pepper. Just give them onions a couple of minutes, that's all. I didn't season the chicken at first. I should have really, but I forgot. So I'll probably season the chicken first. I'll do it again, I suppose. My mistake that was, but I suppose you could even marinate the chicken, couldn't you? Right, now I'm going to get my chicken tikka paste in there. I'm going to use a whole lot. Why not, eh? Get that flavour. Yeah, there we go. Get a mix. Get it coated in all the chicken and everything else as well. Smelling nice. It's smelling nice. Oh yes. Now I want me chopped tomatoes. I'm probably in the way of the camera again, ain't I? I'm putting the whole tin in. The whole tin. And then I'm going to put a squeeze of garlic in. Obviously it's a taste, I suppose. Want it a bit tasty, don't we? And I'm going to put a heap of this chilli in, which I've never tried, so I'm not sure how spicy it will be. But we'll find out, eh? That'll do. Give that a mix. Now I've cleaned my rice, and that's going in now. Put all that in. 1 cup I used. And get a little mix. Little mix. Now Jamie Oliver used water. Right? I'm not using water, so I'm using vegetable stock. Just give it that bit more flavour. He done it like as a pound meal thing, I think, or something. So that's probably why you never use stock, because your price goes up, don't you? The vegetable stock, I'm just going to play it by here because I've got a full tin of tomatoes in there. I don't want it too watery. Just going to cover the lot there like that. I want a bit more salt. Just a little bit. And some more pepper. And now we're going to simmer that for about 15 minutes till the rice is done. And just stir occasionally. Make sure the rice isn't sticking at the bottom. Okay, let's have a look. It's not ready yet, but we'll have a look and give it a stir. It's smelling delicious. That's for sure. Oh yeah, it's all thickening up now, look. It's all thickening up. Won't be long now. That smells really nice. Right, while that's finishing off, probably another 5 minutes I reckon. These are the chicken skin. Let's give it all the cut up, just chop it up anyhow, it doesn't really matter. I'll just stick it in that bowl there. That'll do. Get it in the bowl. Now we'll get the coconut open, coconut milk. I only want about a tablespoon of this, maybe not even that much. We'll just see, let's have a look, eh? How much should we put in? Yeah, a tablespoon. Tablespoon will be plenty. And a little bit, handful of baby spinach. I say you use peas, I'm not using peas, I'm going to use a bit of spinach. Do like a bit of spinach. Handful of that on there. And we'll wilt that down for 5 minutes, give it a stir. And we're done. Okay, we are done. Let me show you, take the lid off it. Oh, 1 pot, got this heavy. There it is. And it smells delicious, honestly. Put it up there. Let's dish a bit up. Bit of chicken. They're only cheap to make, so nice simple food. You can even, if you want to, take the chicken out and then put the rice on and put the chicken on top. I'm not really too bothered how it looks. It's all in the taste, isn't it? It's all in the taste. A bit more there. There we go then. And there's loads there, look at you. Right, up the table. Oh, hold on. Little bits on top. I could have done with them a bit crispier, but It's all there. There we go then. There we go then. What do you think all in all? That's tucking in. Get all them flavours back in your gob, baby.
Oh yeah. So nice to taste food.
I think it smells quite nice, that does. Have a closer look. Camera's all wonky. Chicken, I don't care how it looks, you know, I just pile it on the plate. It's all the best, isn't it? What do you think?
Very nice.
Is it nice?
Okay.
You like it? Well, that likes it. That's a good start. Let me have a crack. Rice looks a little bit gloopy. Or is it okay? There's the rice. Wonky look. Yeah. Nice.
Nice.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Let me try the chicken. I'm blurred. Oh, door, hold on. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah, so all in all, what do you think?
I really like it. What's this green stuff? Sorry.
Spinach.
I like it. It's very nice.
Because Jamie Oliver uses peas, and I thought you don't really like peas, so I thought I'd put
No,
spinach in it.
That's
Like,
really nice. I like it. Really tasty. Done a good job there, Bob. Thank you.
it took about 25 minutes to do. I mean, about 15 minutes that was the rice, wasn't it? So,
I love that crispy.
but all in all, you love that crispy skin. Is it nice? And Jamie never put any garlic in it. Didn't put any chili powder, put chili in there. Could have put a bit more chili in just to get a little bit more sort of spice. But I've never used that squeezy one before, so I didn't know how powerful it was. Well, apart from that, yeah. As I say, one pot chicken and rice, spicy-ish, not over spicy. Give it a go, or let me know you want me to do some more one pots. I do quite like doing them one pots because they're quite simple, aren't they? Yeah. As I say, thank you all for your patience for me being a bit poorly. But we're back now. We've done a video on that this morning. I've got it all down my top now. It's not going to come off, is it?
I was just going to say that. That ain't coming off, mate. Got aprons.
Yeah, and that mean that done a video on hers this morning. If you haven't seen it, a link's in the description. Yeah, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Thank you all for your patience, as I says. See you later. Bye-bye.